Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to view watch history on YouTube. So to view watch history you have just to go to YouTube, open the app, and after that go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And as you can see, the first option that you see here is history. And to see the watch history you have to click on view all. And as you can see here, you will find all the videos that you watched on your YouTube account. Of course, to see your view history or or to see like that history of the videos that you watched, you should be logged into your account, because if you are not logged in, you can't find that history. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.